The Toyota Corolla Cross is refreshed for 2026. Hi, I'm Motor City Maggie, and I'm coming to you from Toyota North American headquarters in Plano, Texas. And I am with the refreshed Corolla Cross and Corolla Cross Hybrid. This one here is the Corolla Cross gas model, the XLE, and this one here is the Corolla Cross Hybrid in the XSE trim. I'm going to give you a brief walk around tour and show you the changes on the Corolla Cross. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Motor City Maggie, and let's take a look at the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. The Toyota Corolla Cross is manufactured in the United States and comes from Huntsville, Alabama. And have you ever heard of a Corolla that can tow? Well, the Corolla Cross can tow up to 1,500 pounds. The Corolla Cross is available as a gas model and a hybrid, and the hybrid comes as an all-wheel drive only vehicle, whereas the gas model is available in front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. So we don't know the pricing yet for 2026, but the 2025 models are about $24,000 for the gas model and $28,500 is the starting price for the hybrid model. Let's first take a look at the Corolla Cross. This is the gas model, and look, it has a refreshed front grille. It is still looking so sharp. It's looking better than ever. We have improved tech on the inside. I'll show you that in just a bit. And for the gas model, you do get front wheel drive or all wheel drive. So front wheel drive, we're looking at 32 miles per gallon combined and 30 miles per gallon combined on the all-wheel drive. You will also get Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 standard. That's Toyota's standard safety package that comes at no extra cost to you. And here is the rear end design. Now on the sporty trims, the SE and the XSE, you do have the optional black roof, so you can get the two-tone style. This is the XLE, or one of the core models. So this one is color keyed in this beautiful red color. This is a 5-passenger compact SUV, and I really think that it looks like a mini RAV4. What do you think? This is the 18-inch wheel design on the XLE. Let's take a look at the inside of the XLE. This is surprising to see this kind of creamy chocolate, milk chocolate interior. We don't often see this color interior in Toyotas, so it's refreshing. Here is the refreshed interior, and we have a new instrument cluster, all digital behind the steering wheel, and a new 10.5-inch touchscreen display. There's also a wireless charging pad and heated seats, as well as USB chargers, brake hold button, a nice solid shift knob, and JBL speakers. Here's a look at the second row with that milk chocolate colored interior. And here's a peek at the front of the vehicle from the second row. There is a small moonroof on this one. Let's check out your cargo capacity on the Corolla Cross. So here it is. You have quite a bit of space. Look, you've got that giant JBL speaker in the back. You can fold down those seats with a 60-40 split. A nice Corolla Cross all-weather floor mat is here. And you get a temporary use spare tire. I also think it's so nice that you get a power height adjustable liftgate. That's a great feature for a vehicle that's hopefully under $30,000. Now let's take a look at the Corolla Cross Hybrid for 2026. Look at this color. This is called Calvary Blue. It is a new color for the Corolla Cross Hybrid. And look, you can get it two-toned. It has a black roof, black wheels, black mirror caps, and it looks really sharp, really elevated. And look at the new front grille. The front grille is actually color keyed, so it matches the rest of the vehicle. Instead of having a large black grille, like you have a more rugged look on the gas model, you have a color keyed grille on this hybrid model. I love the daytime running lights and the headlight design, and there's a little Easter egg in there that says Corolla Cross. On this XSE model, you get black 19-inch wheels. And there's another little Easter egg for you. Right there it says Corolla Cross. And here is the rear end design of the Corolla Cross Hybrid. Corolla Cross in a blacked out badge. We have a blacked out Toyota badge and a blacked out XSE HEV all-wheel drive, which stands for hybrid electric vehicle all-wheel drive, and the little Beyond Zero button that indicates that it is an electrified vehicle. Underneath the hood of the hybrid, you will get a 5th generation hybrid powertrain, an electric motor paired with a combustion engine, and that will give you 196 horsepower and 42 miles per gallon combined. Wow, that's nice. And here's a look at the interior of the Corolla Cross Hybrid XSE. And I actually have a RAV4 Hybrid XSE, a 2023, and I have the same seat design. So I have this blue inlay with the blue stitching with the soft text seats. So pretty cool to see that continued onto the Corolla Cross Hybrid. And again, with the larger 10.5-inch touchscreen display, the digital gauge cluster. And then here is your shift knob and your center console, cup holders, steering wheel, and Corolla Cross floor mats. Here's what the second row of seats look like with that blue inlay and blue stitching. And here's your view of the front of the vehicle from the second row. And this XSE also gets a moonroof. Hopefully we'll see the refreshed Corolla Cross and Corolla Cross Hybrid hitting dealerships in late 2025. Well, what did you think of the refreshed 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross and Corolla Cross Hybrid? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much to Toyota for inviting me to headquarters in Plano, Texas to experience these vehicles and many others. So make sure you subscribe to Motor City Maggie so you don't miss any of my exclusive content coming out of Plano, Texas. Also, please like this video and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time on Motor City Maggie's channel, and until then, motor on. Bye.